Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Nougat skin in Brookhaven. Begin at spawn, select a neutral skin tone, and pick warm clothing pieces that match Nougat hues. Next, choose hair and makeup that lean warm and natural, and test under soft, orange lighting to see the true tone. Practice poses and camera angles until the color reads as Nougat across different devices and daylight settings. Pick clothing that reinforces Nougat. Warm tans, creams, and soft browns work best. Balance textures with layered items to create natural depth. Steer clear of stark whites and cool grays that remove warmth, and prefer collars or scarves that frame the face. Small accessory accents can tie the look together without overpowering the skin tone, and always preview outfits under in-game lighting before lighting makes or breaks Nougat skin, so position soft, warm light sources for flattering color. Slightly lower camera angles and gentle shadows help the tone read naturally. Test the look in multiple in-game environments to confirm consistency, and tweak intensity until the skin looks warm but realistic. Save favorite settings as presets if available to quickly reproduce the effect in future sessions without repeating setup steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.